Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the syllabus for the HPE Aruba Certified Mobility Professional exam so you know exactly what to study. This exam is divided into 5 domains with precise weights and expectations. Integrate and configure Aruba mobile first components and devices is 24%. Configure and troubleshoot Aruba mobility controller and mobility master features is 23%. Configure and troubleshoot advanced services and technology is 22%. Configure and troubleshoot Aruba WLAN security and authentication is 21%. And configure and troubleshoot Aruba WLAN solution is 10%. Total suggested study time across the domains is 85 hours and the assessments include conceptual, scenario-based, and hands-on elements depending on the domain. Integrate and configure Aruba mobile first components and devices is weighted at 24%, rated medium difficulty, and estimates 18 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn to differentiate Mobility Master and Mobility Controller roles, configure Mobility Master redundancy and failover, and understand configuration hierarchy and inheritance. The syllabus covers integrating Virtual Mobility Master into an existing network, managing centralized licensing, and deploying multi-zone isolation. You will also cover clustering and redundancy, including Layer 2 and Layer 3 clustering, the role of the cluster leader, session redundancy for APs and clients, and troubleshooting cluster heartbeats and failover verification. Configure and troubleshoot Aruba Mobility Controller and Mobility Master features is 23%, rated hard, with about 20 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. Expect deep coverage of RF optimization using Error Match and Client Match, including how Error Match automates RF planning, how it differs from traditional ARM, and how to configure Client Match rules and thresholds. You will learn to schedule and run Error Match updates, analyze RF health from the Mobility Master dashboard, and manage steerable and non-steerable clients. The domain also covers application visibility and control, teaching app RF configuration for traffic visibility, web content classification policies, UCC monitoring, DPI for traffic shaping, and troubleshooting application-level performance with flow-based reports. Configure and troubleshoot advanced services and technology is 22%, rated hard, with about 22 hours of hands-on and conceptual study. This domain focuses on remote access solutions like remote access point provisioning and virtual intranet access, including RAP whitelist and provisioning, via deployment, ICAV2 and ISEC tunnel configuration, NAT traversal troubleshooting, via connection profile management, and split tunneling or bridge modes for remote sites. You will also master mesh networking and tunneled node technologies by configuring mesh portals and mesh points, defining mesh clusters and security profiles, implementing per-port tunneled node for wired clients, configuring user-based tunneling, and verifying GRE encapsulation while troubleshooting mesh link establishment and throughput. Configure and troubleshoot Aruba WLAN security and authentication is 21%, rated hard, and estimates 15 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will build AAA infrastructure skills by configuring Radius and TACAC server groups, implementing 802.1x with the APTLS and PEEP, defining user roles and role derivation rules, and configuring Aruba policy enforcement firewall settings. The domain includes ClearPass integration points and troubleshooting authentication failures and change of authorization issues. Advanced security features cover stateful firewall policies and ACLs, captive portal options, certificate-based management authentication, WPA3 and O, IDS/IPS profiles for rogue AP detection, and security log and session analysis. Configure and troubleshoot Aruba WLAN solution is 10%, rated medium, and estimates 10 hours with scenario-based assessment focused on diagnostics and maintenance. You will practice CLI/SHOW and debug commands, analyze system logs and AP tech support files, and perform remote packet captures for traffic analysis. The syllabus emphasizes use of the Aruba dashboard for real-time monitoring, evaluating RF interference with spectrum analysis, and maintaining software images and backups to keep the WLAN ecosystem healthy. This domain ties together the operational tasks needed to sustain a production wireless environment. That covers the full HPE Aruba Certified Mobility Professional exam syllabus in clear terms and with exact domain weights. Use the estimated hours to build a study plan. Focus hands-on practice on the harder domains, and review the conceptual topics for scenario-based questions. Good luck with your preparation and study smart.